Good morning, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at something funny. This is, by looking at it, you won't so much know what it is all about. But this is a device that sits in your car door. And this thing opens and closes your car. It manually assists, helping the inside to lock your car. And your alarm or your immobilizer control the input. It's a little motor in here with a gear. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it some supply here quickly. Put a positive, I don't know what the polarity now. Let me see what's happening here. In this one, it doesn't want to go. Let's change the polarity. You see here what's happening. Opens, close. When you open your, the button of your remote control, it opens your car door, it goes like this and opens the door, you can get in. When it closes, it goes like this. Alright, let's open this and see how this looks inside. Okay, I had to actually break all these little clips here, just to, because too many of them to try to open them. Okay, let's open this lid here. Here's just some rubber mounts here. Okay, see, there is very interesting. Here's your, get some light on here. There's your motor with a supply. Look, there's a spring loaded. He opens it and then it goes, there's a little spring inside here, like a, and there's a reduction gear, and as it goes, there's just open here. I guess there's another screw inside here that let this thing go in and out. Let's put some supply on again. That is now wrong way around. Again. Put this here. Come on, man. Okay, let's swap it again. See, it goes, and then it winds up the spring, and when you leave it, and then the spring takes it back. So it opens your car door, and then I guess you can't leave the supply here, it will burn the motor. So just a quick momentarily action, open, and then when you open the door, it's long enough, and then it releases again. So this is very interesting. See, the motor is getting hot in this process. Let's just take this thing apart and then you can see what's going on here. So here's the spring. There's a spring. There's a gear motor and there's a motor. So, and here's some rubber mounts to mount this whole assembly for vibration. Where's the other one? And here's the, let's open this thing. Look here, there's a worm gear here that it goes inside here, and then it goes in. This is how this device working. As I said, this is the one that opens and closes your car door, and then take it back automatically with the spring. There's your wind up spring inside here. Very interesting. Now you also know how this device is working. If you want to assemble it, I guess you just put some little bit tension on there, put it back, and then let's put the lid back on again. Here's my other rubber mount. Here's the rubber mount. Let's put it in there. That's very interesting. It's like a rubber's molded into the brass. Just close this. That's it. Now you can see again. Let's put some supply on here. Okay. Okay, that was interesting. Now also now it works. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.